welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I hope you're doing amazing. And yeah, if you're new, my name is Fabiola. I am a content creator slash makeup artist on Instagram and YouTube and all those kind of stuff. And I do the craziest transformation with all the little objects that I can find with my crazy ideas. So anyway, if you like those type of contents, please make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any other transformation that I can do like this. So like any other objects, monochrome, all the chrome, all the colors, black and white included. I just have so much fun with that. I did another look like this on my Instagram, so make sure to check that out. It is a full pink look with like tulips and stuff. So yeah, anyway, I hope you like those kind of looks, and if you have any idea other color that I should do and objects or like insect or anything like that, please make sure to leave a comment with your suggestion, because I just love to see them all and it always gives me other ideas of stuff that I can do. Like there's never enough ideas. So anyway, I hope you have an amazing day, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hi, so we're doing voiceover today. So the first thing that I did is create this lavender shade and put it all over my body. Then I did my base with like foundation, concealer, and powder. I knew I wanted to do a messy, abstracted look, so we don't need that little structure, and like we don't really care if it's messy basically. So that's why I'm doing my foundation first. Then we did the brows, and we're gonna start with the eyes. So I'm using the Morphe purple palette. I'm gonna link it down below. I don't remember the exact name, but it's basically 9 shades of purple, and it's so pigmented. So that's basically the entire palette and a bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills palette that I used. So I'm going with this more magenta color all over my eyes, creating this little butterfly shaped. So by the way, if you hear my cat in the back, he just joined us apparently. But yeah, I didn't end up doing the butterfly wings on the side of my eyes, but I feel like this look is already amazing, so I really didn't need to. Then I'm going with this white shade. So it's the most pigmented white matte shade that you can find is basically what you're gonna use, and we're gonna apply that all over our lid and make it more like, you know, not harsh. So we're blending everything. Then I'm gonna fill it my lash line with some black, because that's just amazing. And then we're gonna go underneath. So we're blending the little purple underneath our eyes, creating more of like a cloud effect, if that makes sense. And I'm gonna blend the edge to make sure that it's really like more of a cloud and more like blended, and I don't want any harsh or compact colors. But even if it did, it really doesn't matter, because we're going for an abstract look, so it creates some kind of effect. Then as you can see, I added some white underneath my eyes, but we're gonna do touch up at the end, so you're gonna see how I did it. I added some magenta underneath my eyes and some purple eyeliner because it's fun and it's purple. Then we're going with an eyelash curler, and we're gonna coat our lashes with some mascara and lashes, and I'm probably gonna do the lashes off camera because you're not gonna be able to see anything with my tiny little mirrors. So the next thing The little white polka dot, and I think that's my cue for the lashes. So yeah, we're adding false lashes. I love these. They are super wispy and really like fantasy kind of lashes. So they're not my go-to daytime lashes, but they are so beautiful. And then I added some more white and end up also adding a lot more purple, like color activated paint purple, just to make it more pigmented. But I also wanted to make a little continuity on my face, and so yeah, that's just a lot better. And then we're gonna paint our ears, because why not? I felt like it was just so weird. And I'm also gonna add a lot of like different shade of purple, because the more shade you add, the better it is. And then I went it with white, but I ended up didn't liking the stripes, so I blended them in. And I changed my nose 20 times in this video, just so you know. But yeah, I ended up liking the white, but just like as a cloud effect, and like I used it as more of a highlight, and like I don't know, I just play with it. So sometimes you try stuff and it doesn't work, but you work with them and it ended up being super nice. I feel like when I added the white, it changed everything. Then I'm going in with the purple liner that I put on my eyes, on my lips, and I'm gonna create a little ombre lip with like the purple lip liner from MAC. I think the shade is Soar. And then I'm gonna blend it and add a little bit of gloss, because gloss makes everything better, especially when the look is all matte. I feel like the lip gloss is always adding something. And yeah, I'm blending the shade together just to make it more of a ombre lip. And then making the lips and seeing the shade in the middle of my lips reminded me of that highlight that I'm using right now. So I was like, oh my god, illumination. And I think you probably saw it in like a few seconds before, like the illumination in my eyes. So yeah, I ended up adding a little bit of this Kat Von D highlighter everywhere. I was just so obsessed, and it's just so pretty and it complements this look so well. So yeah, it's a purple with like blue undertone highlight, which is not something that you're gonna wear every day, even though you could, because that will be like fun, like why not? But I feel like it added a little bit of a touch to the look, and I ended up, I think, adding some into the butterflies. So more little black polka dot, a little bit more white and stuff like that. And I'm still talking to myself, but I'm probably talking to people. And then we're gonna do the white. So I used a little more of a bigger fan brush to add more white. I don't know, I felt like the white with the purple was just so pretty. So yeah, so blending, and here are the ears covering. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water to cover my ears. Beware if you have piercings. This is not something I will recommend, but you know, these stuff I do for makeup. But it's super easy to remove. It's just you go in the shower and all the water runs everything out, except the powder, of course. But like every water activated paint that I use, You just go into the shower and in 3 minutes everything's gone, even though it took me probably 3 hours, 4 hours actually, 4 hours and a half to do this look. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit more touch up, blending the purple with the white, and then after that we're gonna add some setting spray, and the last step we're gonna do is go on with our liquid latex just to secure a little butterfly that we have left. And after that, that's pretty much it. Here's your butterfly look. I hope you really like this tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I do a bunch of like crazy makeup like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys!